Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look if the Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or the S22 Ultra comes with a screen protector as the default. Now I have just opened up the box and I find that it does come with a film cover, but it is not a screen protector. The film cover only goes up to the side right here, and you will need to peel it off in order for you to install a screen protector. So there is no screen protector on this device at all. It has a very thin, film cover. So right here, you can see this.
To enable accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear.
Okay, so you can see this is very thin. It does not really actually protect your device at all. You will need to install a screen protector to protect your screen. Alright, so very much unlike last year with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, it actually comes with a screen protector, but this year this one here does not come with a screen protector. So you're going to need to purchase a tempered glass screen protector to get your screen protected. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.